Clay Massey and Associates is a plaintiff's firm that has been protecting injured people since 1972. One of the assets of our firm is that we have an experienced and well-trained staff that know how to interact with our clients, know how to make sure that their needs are being attended to, whatever aspect of their case is being handled professionally and personally. We represent people who, in ordinary situations, would be denied access to remedies or justice because of their resources, and they need help, and we have the resources and the know-how to help them. We enjoy seeing them feel comfortable and the confidence in the eyes of our clients that we've helped. So if you've been injured in a car wreck, been injured by the negligence of an 18-wheeler, been hurt on a boat, call us at Clay Massey and Associates. Our experience pays.